Bonjour, mes amis. ¿Cómo ça va? I hope everybody had a wonderful summer. It's great to be back here at Notre Dame de Sion. I can't wait to welcome you all back into the classroom, and we're going to have a great year. I know it's going to be a little strange, but we're going to be patient with each other, and we are strong women, and we are going to make it through. So, just letting you know le programme pour la semaine prochaine, le 17 août. So next week's kind of agenda, what we're going to be doing, mainly just kind of getting to know each other again, getting reacquainted. That's basically what we're going to be doing next week. I do have one homework assignment for you that you are going to be able to check out on campus. Really easy. I know you've done this before. French 2, you might not have done this last year, but just asking you to fill out a little sheet for me, just telling me a little about yourself and what you did over the summer. So you can find that on campus already there. And with that, I will bid you au revoir, but not au revoir très in the future, but à bientôt, very soon. See you soon. So, au revoir, mes amis.